Coming to you from the Next Weather studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Snow Patrol doesn't sound like a bad idea, especially as we're looking at 1 to 3 inches across the area. And yes, some areas will overachieve. It's almost guaranteed. Take a look at our winter storm watch now real quickly again. This is in effect from Friday afternoon on to about 7 a.m. on Sunday. This is the areas we think will be most impacted by the chance for snow. In addition to that, everybody across the area is included in an extreme cold watch. This may be upgraded, and what I'm showing you here are some of the wind chills we can expect to see on Sunday. Air temperatures could get to be very close to zero, and you're looking at, especially in the northeast, your wind chills could get to be below zero. So it's definitely going to be a dangerous time. Make sure you bring in the pets because, honey, they're just as cold as we are. Let's take a look at what's going on across the southeast, and it's pretty quiet right now. All we have is just a little bit of rain action showing up across the Ohio and a little bit north of the Tennessee River Valley there. It is going to get very cold. I know you think it's cold now, but cold temperatures are going to be increasing across the southern United States. Starting you off on Friday, taking you through Saturday. You can see it tries to recover a little bit each day, but that cold air just cannot be stopped, and it is pushing its way all the way southward into the Sunshine State. You're going to be surprised when you see these temperatures. Sunday morning, 33 degrees in Miami. That's not something you see every day. Temperatures will be close to freezing from New Orleans to Houston. And of course, we have to watch out for our big old storm that's coming in. And that is the 700 millibar level is showing an area of low pressure that we think is going to start a little bit farther west than earlier indicated. And that's really the position that gives us the biggest chance for snow in the southeast. So this little curlicue is going to be working its way eastward as it rotates counterclockwise. And the backside of this, that's what's going to manage to give us a chance of snowfall in the western part of the state rather. Snow accumulations, yeah, you're going to be kind of surprised when you see them. Some areas could see as much as 4 to 6 in Tennessee and parts of the Carolinas. So if you're headed out to Clemson, watch out because it is going to be snowy. Tomorrow starts off cloudy. We'll see some rain as we get through the late part of the day, then changing over to snow overnight through Saturday and probably into Sunday morning. High temperature just above freezing on Sunday. You're going to see rain next week, but it stays cold. Next chance for rain comes middle to the end of next week with overnight lows in the teens and the 20s. Sharon?
It's going to be cold. All right. Orlin, thank you.